Welcome to the channel again. Just a short one. I've got some more seeds germinating. Let's have a look, see what we can get. See if we can. There's a lot. So we can be chucking that lot into there. So watch this. It'll only be a short one. And I'm hoping to do it quite fast. So, but hey. Right, there you go. Perfect. Right. Just make some moves. Just thrown all this together. Just to finish these off. I think I've got 4, 8. I think I've got 9 trays at the moment full of seed and 2 buckets, or 1 bucket and what's my tweezers, and a planter. So let's go. See if we can do this quite quick, shall we? I won't bore you with a long one. I'll do a few and then put a picture up at the start to show you the outcome. Probably got about 60 stems, 60 seeds to plant. And they're growing mental. So what I'll do over the weekend, it's the 10th of June at the moment. Time is 2 minutes past 7 on a Friday evening. I'm doing this indoors, so a comfort of my sofa. So we had a little problem the other day. I said that we was going to have 30 bags of compost turn up so we can overseed the front lawn. Ended up not getting it. He let the distributor let me down and still hasn't gave me a reason why they didn't deliver. So I've left it like that. So I will not bother going to them again. Lucky enough I didn't pay because it's apparently cash on collection. So they were local to me. Well, not local, but it's about 40 miles away. Give or take 10 miles. So that ain't gonna happen. Since we've scarified my front lawn, it's grown big time. I've been cutting it at the moment every 2 to 3 days. I was going to cut it today, so that would have been a second. That would have been 3 times this week I've cut it. But I was a little bit busy today, so I will be doing that one over the weekend. My parents' front lawn we done the other day. Tall-Fescue, the drought resistant stuff. not a bad video to watch. I've done it in sections, so it didn't bore you with the whole. It was only about 40 minutes anyway, but I'm new to all this YouTube stuff, but I like doing lawns. I like doing things to my lawn. I like overseeding. I might show my back garden, but it's a bit of a let's just say it's not as tidy as it is in the front. What I've been using, that was creeping ryegrass. I planted that, and that's what seed I got at the front as well. Normal rye, creeping rye from HM seeds. This is always unstripped, so I'll just rub it on. So we're I'm hoping you can see what I'm doing. Well, see me planting them in to the tray. I will do an update over the weekend as well, hopefully before Monday. An update of all the seeds that I've done this week. Over the next couple of days, anyway, you'll get what I've done. I spaced that out over the 4 or 5 days, so it's not in one hit. So I think the last video goes up on the 15th of June, I think, if I remember rightly. That could be, I think it's in between my parents' lawn and me doing the seeds. So yeah, so they're growing really well. I've moved them up to the back. There's a little bit less sun at the back, but it's a little bit easier, a bit more private at the back. Means I can sit out there without no neighbours coming up to me and talking to me. So, and then of course, if I'm videoing at the front, I've normally got to stop